In this video, I'll walk you through all of the tools that I'm using for my YouTube channel that is now at 11,000 subscribers. So let's get going. I think something that is really great is Miro. If you're not using Miro, they have a free version which you can have 3 boards absolutely for free. So to plan my stuff, plan strategy, by instance, maybe I can show you one of my strategy. That's my planning for 2025, by instance. What's in there? So you see, like, I have some kind of content strategy in here where Q1 of January, Q2 of uh, Q1 of 2025, excuse me, Q2 of 2025. So it's just a board, where you can put stuff in there. So I put my thumbnails and video titles, and it's really collaborative. I have a timeline here. Like it's really how I plan my mind. I don't use it on a daily basis, but I use it quite often to take some notes. It's really really great for me, as well as OneNote. If you know OneNote, maybe I can show you without showing you personal stuff. Maybe give me 1 second here. So basically, you see, like, here I have a YouTube and Bible. So I take all of my notes for the YouTube thumbnails here. By instance, this is OneNote. This is where, when I watch a video, I take a picture, take a screenshot, put it in there, so I can actually get my knowledge in all one place. So I use both Miro and OneNote. They really help me organizing my stuff here. I'm really well organized guy, I think, because I'm an accountant. So uh, here we go. I use Google Drive to log all of my videos. So I have my videos here split by short videos, long videos, video ideas, and live streams. So if I go into the long videos, by instance, how is this set it up? Basically, I have one folder by video with the date. So it's really easy for me to go back, even though I have the date modified here. I prefer to put it in the name. So it's really easy. And let's say I will go here, the Copilot features overview. So I always organize my videos the same way. I have the final, which is the last video, the video that I upload to YouTube that is there. I have my thumbnail here, 1, 2, 3, which is, my A/B test that I do from Canva. So I do these thumbnails on Canva. As you can see, these are the thumbnails that I'm making for this channel that I'm just actually showing you behind the scenes. But I use Canva for everything. And I have a video actually showing you how I built this thumbnail. So you just look behind my shoulder, me making this thumbnail on Canva. I use the pro version. It's roughly, I don't know, $200 a year. Not too sure. So that's for organizing my stuff, and that's for planning, and that's for designing my thumbnail. All right. One of the most popular tool that I'm using is ChatGPT. What do I use ChatGPT for? I use it to build my titles. So I fed this ChatGPT with some knowledge. So if you're not using ChatGPT, you're sleeping. Make sure you follow my piggy bank accountant channel, where I show you how to use Copilot, which is the AI from Microsoft, and ChatGPT. And basically, that's pretty much it. ChatGPT for video ideation, ChatGPT for video title, ChatGPT for video outline, ChatGPT for thumbnail mockup as well. So what I like to do is I go to the library. I don't know what kind of pictures I have in there. I'm always afraid when I show this to public, but I make some pictures with ChatGPT. And as you can see here, here I wanted to have an idea of a thumbnail. So I just, put, my idea, like how I will see this thumbnail. ChatGPT made a oh, do you hear my music? I hope you don't. Basically, ChatGPT gave me a mock-up, and then I can go from there. I go to Canva and modify it. Then when it comes to video recording, I'm currently recording with OBS Studio. So here you have my OBS Studio, and I run 2 instances of OBS Studio. One for my face, one for my screen. One for my face, one for my screen. And then using CapCut, which is the tool that I do my video editing in, I just take both and I sync the video to sound so they're like aligned, and I can do some masks and all of that. And maybe I will cover that in another video if you want, where I show you exactly like how I edit a short form video, how I edit a long form video using CapCut. So I'm using OBS Studio to record my screen and my voice. This is, I don't think, recommended. I have a lot of experience streaming and gaming online, so this is where I got familiar with the tool. They're not like really easy to use, but what I will suggest you, take your phone, my friend. You have a really great camera. Put it on a tripod here behind your screen. Record your screen with whatever. I'm sure there are a lot of free tools in there. You can figure this out. Ask ChatGPT which tool to record your screen, and then you can use CapCut, which has a lot of free. The free version can do a lot actually, where you can synchronize your audio and video together, and then you can do your video editing. Um, which other tool am I using? I'm probably using a lot that I'm forgetting here. I use view stats sometimes. I use view stats sometimes here. View stats, that's the video from Mr. Beast, where you can actually have a look at your video stats. I used vidIQ back in the days. I don't think it's that great, to be honest with you. Here you go, piggy bank accountant. This is view stats, a free tool from Mr. Beast. If you want to have a look at some of your videos, like how they perform, I think they are, this is a pretty interesting tool, where which is, just a quick way, but you can do it with the YouTube Studio. I think my best tool will be YouTube Studio right here, right, where you can analyze your stuff. Don't go too deep into the analytics, guys. If you're just starting, don't even look at it, please. But if you're getting more and more data, have a look at it for sure. It gives you great insights. Which other tool am I using? I think I went pretty much over all of them. Google Trends a little bit, but not too much. It's really just, Chat GPT, Google Drive. And then when I go into a video, I make a script every time like that, where I put like my titles. I go over this in one of my video that I just released as well, which is like 1 hour and something. You will be able to witness just behind my shoulder, and basically that's it. That's my tech stack. You don't need anything for making a great successful YouTube channel in terms of tool. Just use these free tools out there, or just pay like $500 a year for like the paid version of ChatGPT, CapCut, record your screen with OBS Studio, which is a free tool. You can figure it out with some tutorials online, and that's it. That's my tech stack. That's my tool stack. I went through my analytics. One tool for my analytics that I used is this one right here, channel analytics. Here we go. And if you want to see behind my shoulders how I go through all of my analytics, click on the video right here on the screen. I will show you all of the behind the scenes for my analytics tracking, what you should be aware of, what is a CTR, what is an impression, what is a AVD, average view duration, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.